How much is a BMW key replacement? Lost a key fob to your BMW? Well, brace yourself. It's not going to be as inexpensive as getting a new key cut at your local hardware store. Replacing a BMW key fob can be an investment, and the cost can vary quite a bit depending on a few factors. First off, the model of your BMW can change the cost. Newer models, particularly those with more advanced technology, can have more expensive keys. Then, you have the type of key. Is it a standard key, a remote key, a smart key with all the bells and whistles? More functionality usually means a higher price tag. Dealerships are the go-to place for a replacement key because they have the specific tools and coding abilities to program your new key on the spot. But you're paying for the convenience and assurance. Getting a new key from a BMW dealership could set you back anywhere from $200 to over $500. There's also another route, a locksmith. Some locksmiths have the capability to create replacement keys, especially for older models. It might save you some cash, but they may not be able to replace the most advanced keys. And there's always a bit of a risk involved in terms of functionality. And don't forget the towing. If you lost all your keys, you typically have to tow your car to the dealership so they can program the new keys, adding to the cost. Living in Portland, Oregon, you've got a few BMW dealerships and locksmiths to choose from. It might be a good idea to call around and get quotes based on your specific model and key type. Here's the kicker. Some people online claim to have paid up to $400 for their key replacement, including the programming. While online forums aren't the most reliable source of pricing information, they do give you a hint that prices can vary wildly. Long story short, if you've got a relatively current BMW and need a new key, make sure your wallet is prepped for a bit of a hit. And as someone who prefers to spend their free time out at the Oregon coast rather than at a car dealership, trust me, it's a good idea to take care of those keys.